Hey everyone, happy Friday, and what a day we have today. Now the question is Ethereum and Bitcoin going to break out? Now we may have the answer for you in this video. Stay tuned, let's look at the latest crypto news, and let's also look at what is going on within the latest crypto charts. Without any further ado, let's get straight into today's latest crypto news. Now, okay, we're going to start off with the be-all and end-all. Now, we normally go into the latest news stories, but we cannot not start here with the Ethereum chart. As you can see, the last 24 hours have been insane. And when we're talking about it being insane, we are on the cusp of a breakout. Now, if we hit $2,121, that will be the all-time high in the last couple of weeks within this range. We haven't been higher since the 9th of November. Now, as you can see, we are currently around $10 away from that mark. And if we do break out, the question is, can we touch the top of this range? Now, if we do touch the top of this range, it is going to be incredibly exciting. And do you know what? This may stimulate the rest of the markets. But you're probably wondering why I'm starting with Ethereum. Now, in the last 3-4 weeks, we have seen, if not longer, Ethereum very often make the move before Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin, it didn't make the first move yet again in this instance. Let's go over to Bitcoin, and as you can see, we have tested the top of this range several times and failed. But what is interesting is you can see the time frame of which we saw Ethereum move. Bitcoin then followed. Now, this is exciting for those who hold Bitcoin, because if this is true, Bitcoin could touch the very top of the range very soon. Now, let's have a look at the top of that range. The top of that range is $38,000, and the bottom of that range is $35,300. As you can tell, the price of Bitcoin right now is at $37,682. We are getting ever so close to the top of that range, and frankly, it's very exciting. Let's have a look at Ethereum. Just a reminder, the bottom of that range is currently $1,958, and the top of that range is $2,178. Now, the current price of Ethereum is $2,109, so the top of that range is still a fair bit away, around $80-90, but it's achievable in my opinion. We just have to get past that 2,120 mark with an aggressive candle, and we will see a test on that range. Now, of course, nothing I'm saying here is financial advice. This is an extremely exciting potential for us within the charts, but let's have a look at how that is affecting the rest of the charts. Now, as you can see, the Fear and Greed Index is currently at 72. That means there's a positive buy pressure towards the crypto charts. And the global cryptocurrency market cap has had a 24-hour increase of 1.19%. Now, let's just recap everything. In the last 24 hours, Bitcoin is up 0.5%. Ethereum is up 1.68%. You can see that BNB is up 0.3%, XRP is up 0.5%, and you can also see that even Doge is up 1.7%, which is absolutely tremendous. Let's have a look at Polygon. Polygon is up 0.77%, and so on and so forth. Now, a resource that you have seen me run on this channel all the time is Crypto Bubbles. It's a very nice visual way for us to keep a track on the charts, and as you can tell, it's a fairly positive day. So let's have a quick look at some of the biggest winners there. As you can see, Blur is up 30%, and now we're going to come on to exactly why later in this video, and I've got to say, I am getting a little bit excited about it, and it's not for the reasons that you probably think. You can also see that gas is up almost 11%, Elgrand is up 4.6%, Mina is up almost 12%. Let's have a look at some of the losers. FTT is down almost 11%, Trust Wallet token is down 1%, TIA is down 6.6%, Rune is down 7.1%, and Clay is down almost 6%. Now let's get into some of the latest crypto news, and you're going to find out exactly why I am feeling a little bit excited around what is going on with Blur, but let's come on to this first. Now, Kraken has been charged with operating as an unregistered securities exchange. Now, the US Securities and Exchange Commission have charged Kraken with operating in this manner. Now, specifically, the Securities and Exchange Commission has acted against Payward Incorporated and Payward Ventures Incorporated, collectively known as Kraken, for allegedly operating cryptocurrency trading platform as an unregistered securities exchange. exchange or provider. Now, the SEC contends that since September 2018, Kraken has facilitated in the buying and selling of crypto assets, generating a huge revenue stream without complying to any regulations. Now, this is a notable time for this to be happening. Now, we just saw what has happened with Binance. We saw that clamping down all over the world, and America finally got their way with what is happening. Now the heat is moving on to Kraken. It's like dominoes, they are falling one by one. We're going to keep a track of this very closely because it's very, very interesting what is happening. Now, earlier I said that I'm excited about Blur being up 30%, and we're going to talk about why. Let's have a look at it. Now, Blur is going parabolic, and it's true. Let's have a quick look at the chart. In the last day, it is up almost 30%. It's currently at 62%. And you're probably wondering, why has it gone up? Now, there's rumour of a Binance listing. Now, in the past, we have seen exchange listings clearly boost what is going on within the crypto space, and maybe on that project, on that token, has seen significant price increases. Now, let's have a look at this. Now, Blur Bulls have renewed their buying interest because of this. Now, if you don't know what Blur is, it's the native token of an NFT marketplace, and it is just kicking on and kicking forward. Now, its token is up almost 30%, and that's actually incredible. When, you go out there, Binance, I don't know, why now? Why now is the timing? Now, the Binance listing is scheduled for today at 9 a.m. UTC, so it is going to be going live any moment, and it is set for trading with a 0 BNB listing fee. Now, Binance Exchange has said its users can now start depositing Blur on its exchange in preparation for its trading. But I want to bring you one thing on this. This token is available on many exchanges. I personally use BitGet. I think BitGet is a tremendous exchange. Go and check it out. If you want to go and also have a bit of a play on futures, why not? Go and give it a go. For me, remember, if you only put in there what you can afford to lose. None of this is financial advice, but why I'm excited is exchange listings are triggering price movement. Is that a sign the bull market is back? I don't know. I'm just speculating. Let's move on to the next story. Now, Mumbai airport has received a bomb threat, and they are asking for $1 million in Bitcoin. Now, Sahar police have initiated the case against an unidentified individual with a connection to sending the threatening email. The interesting thing is that they are asking for Bitcoin in a country which is not too friendly when it comes to cryptocurrency. We'll keep an eye on this story. We'll see how it plays out, because frankly, this is not a good news article or a good look for the crypto space. Now, a bit of good news is that South Korea are about to pilot CBDCs, and actually not just pilot it, roll it out to 100,000 of its citizens. Now, it's going to happen in 2024, and as per the Bank of Korea, citizens will only be able to use the digital one to buy selected goods. Now, this is really, really interesting. Cannot wait to see how it goes. Clearly, it's a little bit in the future, but the announcement of it is a great thing for the crypto space. Now, the pilot, which is a joint effort with the Bank of Korea, the Financial Services Commission, and Financial Supervisory Service, will allow all of its participants to buy goods of which they select. However, the pilot won't be used for CBDC solely for its designated payment purposes, and that is noted within the report. Other payments, including personal remittance, will not be permitted. So we're not going to see that flow in and out, but we are going to see the use of it for buying goods and services. So let's see how it plays out. Now, if you watched yesterday's video, we were having a bit of fun and speculating about who is next. We saw what happened with SBF. We saw what happened with CZ. Now, this analyst has come out and said that Justin Sun could be the next Sam Bankman-Fried. Something we also maybe mentioned yesterday. Go and check out that video. Now, a crypto channel, this crypto user has come out. The channel is called Discover Crypto, and it has urged HTX users that under the advisory of Justin Sun, it could become the next FTX. And this is because of alleged scandals around Justin Sun. Now, we know that they have been hacked many times, and actually in the last few weeks, they have been hacked for over $200 million, which is absolutely insane. Now, we never fall for FUD, we always follow the latest crypto news and we look at charting, and we have looked at exactly what is going on with Bitcoin, what is going on with Ethereum, and today I am getting excited. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to hit that like button, drop me a comment, and please do subscribe, because baby, we are back with our live videos every single day. Thank you so much for tuning in. Apologies for the sound issues, we're just trying to get something fixed up. It should be fixed by tomorrow, hopefully. Thanks again, and let's go.